Okay. So morning. Good morning to all of you. Let's start with today's equation. We have to solve like the question this. So what this question said, let's see. Oh, why? The internet is bit slow of mine. That's why this giving the that's sorry. Okay. Internet is bit very much very okay. Now we get it. Now given that the given number of nums I okay. Okay, given the integer array nums return, you have to return a array nums where ai nums I. That means answer I is equal to the product of all its element except the self. That means num I. Okay, the product of the specific guaranteed that you must write log n without using the divisional operation. Okay, what can I do? One, one, two, like one. Can I take like a prefix product and the suffix product? So prefix product is like 0, 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4, right? So it's like 1, 1, 2, 6 and 24, right? Now the product suffix should be 1, okay, 1 and the 1 and what? Like 1, 4 and 4 and should be here what? What should be here? 4, 6, 4, 12, 12, 24 and the 24 and the 24. So I think we are making mistake like we are taking that much solution so good. We are taking from here. So it's the 24. We are taking from here like a prefix should be. Okay. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, right? What I'm going to do here, like a 1, take a 1, not a take 1, just 1, 1, 24, and the second region from the 2, we are have to take like this and this. It's a 12. Okay, so just made a prefix on right. 1, 2, 6, 24, and from the back side, it's take a suffix on 4, 12, 4, 12, 4, 12, uh, 24, 24. Okay, now we are here, we have to just take a from here and suffix should be from here. So it's the 1 and this. What this might be solution? 24 from here, 1 and 20 from 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 8 from here. Just take 1. Okay. So what we have to take? What we have to do here? Like what we said the size. The constraint is 10 meter, so it's not a big deal. Let's build like let's take a size nums dot size, okay, and take a vector int prefix product and prefix product, okay, prefix product prefix product and the suffix product product and plus 1, take 1. Okay, and plus 1, take 1. Now what we have to do, just do like just like do like we have to take like okay, plus plus. What we have to do, just do like, if the I is greater than 0, you have to take like a product prefix product should be I is equal to prefix product I minus 1 into nums I, right? Else what you have to do, just mark it product I should be nums I. This is prefix, right? Now what we have to do, we have to build a just like same, we have to build like suffix product. Okay, like if mm, what we can do, like if I plus 1 is less than no, then we have to do suffix product I should be equal to suffix product I minus 1. Okay, I minus 1, I plus 1 into nums of I. Else what you have to do, what you have to do, you have to just do like a suffix product I should be nums of I. Okay, now let's build. Let's see, enter x, answer. Okay, answer should be n. So let's try to see, int 0, int n, int plus plus. Now what we have to do, like first prefix if I minus 1 greater than equal to 0, then we have to take like a product prefix product I minus 2, else we have to take 1. Okay, int suffix if I plus 1 is less than 1, then we have to take like a suffix product I plus 1, else we have to take 1. Okay, now what we have to do, just answer dot push back prefix into suffix, sorry, suffix, right? And just try to return the answer. Let's see this passes the test cases or not. What? Okay, so not a semicolon but a this, and here with this, taking the 1 1, right? Suffix product should be suffix I plus 1 suffix. Okay, n is defined, suffix sub product. Okay, sub product, we are making mistake here, like we are taking the product suffix product. Okay, all good, suffix product, not to total product but a product. It's very mistake. Okay, this one giving the wrong answer. Why? It's some kind of joke. Output. Okay, sorry, not the pushback. I should be right. I should be prefix point suffix, not pushback. Yes, let's try to submit it out. Let's see this passes all the test cases or it's passing, it's giving wrong answer in some cases. No, it passes 100% all the test cases. So that's it. And the time complexity for this, like a space complexity, like we are using n here and n here, so it's like 2n, and space and time complexity like n and n, that means 3n, right? So a space complexity, like a time complexity like a 3n, and a space like a 2n, right? Okay, let's move next question. You can say like, but this is the auxiliary space, right? We have to just return. Why we are storing, we return for the returning, so you can say that we are taking n space, right? Because we are storing the n. So this one is. Now let's move to next question. Like gas station, what is this question said? Okay, gas station, there and gas station along a circular route where the amount of gas. Okay, so I marked as a saved. That means this is good question, right? Let's try to see what is the solution, right? And gas station along a circular route where the amount of gas I is gas I. Okay, and you have a car with unlimited gas tank, okay, unlimited gas tank, and it costs VI of a gas to travel from I gas to I plus one. Okay, and you begin the journey with the empty one. Okay, empty one at one at one of the gas station. Okay, from that given given the two integer gas cost, return the starting gas index if you can travel around the circular ones. Okay, in the clockwise direction, return as different. Okay, so what is this? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and is this is the gas? Okay, so the amount of gas at a I station. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the cost should be 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, right? So what we have to like question is said like you have unlimited gas, you have you have car with unlimited gas tank, and it's cost like cost I, right? Cost I of gas. Okay, so you travel from I to I1, you have to pay cost I. Okay, that is it, na? Okay, yes. So now you begin the journey with the empty tank at one of the gas station. Okay, you can choose any of gas station in between them. Okay, and return the once in the cycle if it is there it is. Okay, so you have to do like this, like that. Okay, so there is no doubt. You have to take like if we start from the zero index, so we can go like one index. It goes to be three. Okay, goes to be three. We are pushing what unlimited gas travel, right? So gas to travel, you have to do like from here to here, from here to here, one distance, and it's a distance one. So you can travel all the way. It's completely on normal. It's a one, right? Now from here to here, we have to do like 3, 4. So travel to gas 4, the gas starting index should be index 3. 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4 से starting कर रहे हैं हम. Then your tank fill with gas 3 unit. Okay, so your tank will be 0 plus 4. Now you travel to gas 4. Okay, gas 5 now. Gas 5. So it's like the gas tank should be plus 4 and minus 1. Why? Minus 1? Because of the boost. So it's 8. It's becoming 8. Now you have to travel 1. Okay. If you can reach to the again to the gas station I, you have you can prove that this much is my solution. So can I use like it is the index based. So can I use it is the index based, right? So can I use like If it is index based, so can I greedy approach? Can I like greedily take one? Like one, two. So what is the constraint? Constraint is 10 to power 5. So like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So brute force approach is like try to each index, right? Try to start from each index and try to travel it. If it is able to try it, if you don't able to reach any position, you have to empty that one, right? So let's try to do. Okay, we have to do like how to do. Like we have let's try to one index, right? Let's try to first one index. So we have two guests. Now for moving to next, we have 3 minus 4. So it's become negative. So you can't go there, right? It's become negative, then you can't reach there. No negative, it's become 1. So you have to require it cost time to travel from I station to I station. Yo, bro, yo. You can go that line. You can go that line. You can go that line. The travel to station, the cost is 5. Your guess is enough to travel back down 3. Okay. You are traveling like 4, taking a 4. Now 4 plus 1 minus 1, it's become 8. Now from the 8, from the 3, you're going to 4, and from the 4, you have to go, from the 4, you have to go 0. So what is the 0? That means 8 plus 1 minus 2. So plus 1 minus 2, it's a 7. So from 1, you have to go like a 1, right? From 0, you have to go 1. So what should be the solution? Like a 4 plus 2 minus 4. So it's become like a 9. 9, it's become 5. So it's become 5. Now, what again? Okay. So the gas left is 5. And to reaching to you, like if we able to reach, we can surely that return the answer and try to give it to integer currently. Okay, so what we have to do, like what we can do here, like if we use the brute force approach, like starting from 1, starting from 2, and trying to go and reversing. If we reach to the starting index, then we have to do like can I use the BFS approach, like starting from the index, checking all the route path. If it is able to reach, we can reach that much, right? Let's try to see. Let's try to see. Okay, that much guess is required. So we have guessed itna. If it is greater than itna, we can reach it out like 5, so 3, 4, 2. Now why is this giving the 0? Like 2, 3, 4, postage 3, 4, 2. So it's like 2 plus 3 minus 3. So it's 2. You can't go there. You can't able to go there. So it's minus 1. If you can't start with 0 because there's not enough gas to travel to next step. Okay. You have to give now. Next step, let's see. Okay. Okay. So how can we approach this code? Like if it is a, so it's like a circular gas. So what we have to do? Like can I use the DP approach? Like from 0 we can travel this. No, not DP. Brute force approach, like traveling all the way. If it is not, so it's not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 1, 4. Okay, okay. We can use DP, right? I think we can use the DP here. Why? Let's suppose from the one, can I reach to 1 again? The question is like it's a It's a circular way. You can't decide on the way you are, right? So if it is this, this is right, you have to do like, you have to check like the BFS or DFS approach, right? Starting from that index, you trying to reach, if it is found your circle, if you find the circle, you can yes return 0. If it is not, you have to return false. Because the starting index, you can travel all the way in clockwise direction. So what we have to do? What we have to do? Like we have 1 minus 3 plus 1. If it is greater than itna, we certainly we can always travel there. Like 1, 3 minus 2, we can't return false. Return false, you can't. Now let's move to here. 2 plus 1 minus 3. Sorry, 2 plus 3 minus 4. Can I reach to here? We can't reach. We can't reach here. You have to get the cost of 1. Yeah, yeah. Suppose we are reach here. We reach here. Now we have minus 4 plus 5. Can I reach here? So it's become 0. It's become 0. Let's suppose we are reach that here. Now what we have to? 0 minus 1 plus 5. What? What is this question? It's 4. Can I able to reach that here? You can't go there, na? Because it's become 0. You don't have that much amount of money you have. Like 1, you start 1. Start 1. Can I starting from 1? Starting from 1. Can I go to next one? You can't go. Can I go to next one? You can't go. Can I go to next one? It should not be 0, right? It should not be 0. This, it's a 0, not should be 0. This. And the 4, that means 5 minus 4. So it's 4. You have to take like a 4 direction. You have to call. Now you want to travel 3, right? To travel 4, your tank need 8. To travel to 0, from the 4, you travel to 0, your tank need 8 minus 2 plus 1. That means 7. Okay. Your gas is just enough to travel back to 3. Therefore, starting in explicitly. I think yes, we have to use the BFS here. But how to approach BFS? That's the question, right? How to approach? How can we approach like BFS algorithm here? Let's see. Okay, let's try to see. Like we have car unlimited cost y. So it's not like a circular y. So we have to travel all the way. If it is able to what? If it is able to give us the chances to travel back side, right? So what we have to do? Mm, like we have one store and cost should be now current guess should be the cost minus 1. If it is 0, you have to just go that flag and okay. So let's suppose we have to do what? Here we have just to use like a greedy approach, right? Greedy approach like num size. Okay, we have to take like a total till total 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 gas gas. That means we have total gas and total oil, not our total oil, but the total cost is 0. Now you have to just take like a starting point, right? A starting, a start should be minus 1 or should be should be minus 1. we are doing what? Let's suppose we are traveling all the way, and what we have to do, like a total gas should be, what should be the total gas? Should be the gas I plus, and total cost. What is total cost? Till I index is cost dot I. Now the question arises, how much I have to left, like current, like what is the current? I have what is the current gas? Like let's see the current gas. In the current gas is equal to 0, right? What should be the current gas? What is the current gas of mine? Like current gas of mine, like current gas. So current gas is total gas minus the total cost, right? If it is become the 0, or that means it's become the negative, you have to check the starting point from here, right? And the current gas again should be 0, right? Yeah, right. Okay. Okay. Now the question, like we are doing here, what should be the question? Like what should be the solution? Like question like 1, 2, 3, okay, 4 and 5. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. The question should be here, right? Like we are traveling plus minus current one. Current gas should be what? Current gas. Like current gas should be what? Current gas should be y now, plus total gas plus 1. That means minus 2 negative. So it's not. So I plus 1 is a starting point of mine, and this becomes 0, right? Now again, we have to add up the cost and like a gas is 3 and the cost is 3 and 7, like like the 7. So again 3 minus 7 is 4, so it's not. So again 1, 2, 3, that's index 3, like 6 and 12. So it's again negative, so we can't take it. 2, 3, 4. So it's like 7, 7 to 9, 10, and we have 10. So it's positive. So we have to take that. We can take now from the starting index. We are initializing this one. Now let's suppose you have to return like like uh, like a total. You have total gas less than total cost. If it is, if it is, if it is, you have to return minus one. That's for the starting index. Okay. Passes the test case or fail. Oh, it's error. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Gas dot size, right. Yes, yes. Wrong. Try this giving the wrong answer. Like we can travel like from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have now we have 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Right. Now what we can do here, like we have gas negative, so we can't travel here. Like, we have got positive, we can travel here. Okay, negative, we can't go. Negative, we can't go. Positive, yes, we can go. Yes, we can go. So we have here, no, no, no. What are you doing? This is good route. You are doing mistake like here, right? Why? Just current previous, na. Current, you have to take current, na. Current, right? Like gas I, gas I minus cost I, na. Cost I, na. You have to take that much. Okay, you have to take that much, na. So let's say it is, if it is positive, yes, this is the answer. This is the answer. Now let's move to next starting index. If we have to find the first index, starting index, if you travel around the, because you can travel from the 5.2, right? 5, from the 5.2 you can also travel to the 5, I think so, right? So if the total cost and if the total cost is greater than the total gas, that's definitely that the answer is not a solution, right? Let's try to submit it out like this much. We are traveling, and pushing all the way. Let's try to do. In any position, prefix sum should not be 0. Okay. So it's with, okay. Sorry. Sorry. Now it should be passed, right? We are marking here -1, right? That's what this is giving the wrong answer. So this should be passed. Like traveling all the way. We have, if it is positive, if it is negative, we have to take another index and another index. If it is also negative, you have to take next index. That's like that. Okay. So let's move to next question. Like candy. What is this question said? Like I solved the this one. We have to solve. Okay. There are n children standing in a row. Each line you start to value given integer. You are given this separate that you have made at least one. Okay. That means okay. So at least one then, right? And then children with the highest rating will more than then it I one. Okay. 1 1 1 travel. Now we have, yes. So it's a 2 0 not 2. Right. Now again from here to okay. Now what we have to do, like you can do like 1 2 3 2 1, right? So you can initialize, give all element to 1. Now let's suppose if it is greater than this sum, not. If it is greater, if it is greater, yes, I am greater. I am greater. Then we have to add 2. If it is greater, no, it's 1. If it is greater, yes, add 2. I am greater, not. I am greater, not. Okay, this much solution. Now let's suppose, now we have to find like from previous, right? If it is greater, yes, and if it is greater, no. So it's like equal. So you have to move that. Okay. tech plus 1. Hmm. So now it's going to here. It's greater? Yes. So am I greater? Am I greater to you? No. So it's a 3. Am I greater to you? No. That's what. Am I greater to you? No. Am I greater to you? No. So this is the final answer. Okay. So what is 1, 2, 2? 1, 2, 1. Right. Am I greater to you? Yes. So add. Am I greater to you? No. So it's very good. Now let's suppose we are starting from here. Am I greater to you? Yes. No. So it's a 2. Am I greater to you? No. So it's 4. 4. Let's try to see. Let's try to build this one, and also let's try to solve it out. Like let's try to see the edge cases, right? Let's try to see the any edge cases like 1, 2, 3, 3, like 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1, right? So we are in sliding like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 to each. Now, am I greater to you? Yes. So add 2. Am I greater to you? Yes. So add 3. Okay. Am I greater to you? Not. Am I greater to you? Yes. Add 2. Am I greater to you? Not. So let's see. Am I greater to you? Yes. Add L. Remove. Am I greater to you? No. Just remove. Am I greater to you? Yes. Just not add. Am I greater to you? Not. Am I greater to you? So final solution is. So what we have to do, like what we have to do? End and just remove the rating from here. Right. Ratings. Like nums dot size. Okay. Now what we have to do? Just take a vector, like give candy, give candy, like candy, vector candy of n minus 1. Now, what we have to, you have to just go like a 1 and plus plus. Now, let's suppose if the nums of I is greater than the nums of I minus 1, what you have to do? Like a candy should be plus equal to candy, candy I minus 1. This is good. If it is greater than, then you have to. Now else, you have to do like if the nums of I, if the nums of I is greater, if the nums of I is greater than nums of I plus 1, I plus 1, I plus 1, and add, and add, and add the candy, candy I minus 1, sorry, I is less than the candy I plus 1. Okay. Then you have to do what? Just do like candy I plus equal to candy candy I minus 1. I plus 1. Right. Now the question is like the edge cases. What what if the size is n is equal to 1? You have to return 1. You have to return if the n is equal to 1, you have to return 1. Okay. Else what we have to do? You have to return the accumulate. Not just take that sum. Okay. For auto, like candy or sum plus equal to x, and you have to return the sum. Okay. Let's try to see it passes all the test cases or not. Okay. So candy dt. Candy, candy. Let's see. Oh, this giving the wrong answer. Where I'm making mistake, where I am making mistake here. Like a 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So am I greater? Not. Am I greater? Yes. So it's a 2. It's a 2. Now, am I equal to greater? Am I greater? No. Am I greater to you? Yes. So let's let's do. So it's a 5 now. Oh, why is giving the 4? Okay. Okay. I should be greater. I should be greater. If it is, if the candy is greater, if it is less, that will be just the nothing that I plus one. Just take, just tell me what the what the status of X. Just tell me. Just tell me what is 1 1. Why? This is not giving, not reached to the last position, right? What? What happened? Is this the not reached to the last position? Like plus one, minus one. Okay, minus negative, negative. So candy. What should be candy? So here should be value 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. Let's suppose we are traveling from here. So 1, 0, 2. So it's greater, not just if it is greater. Yes. And also we are changing, taking like if it is greater and if it is greater, if it is greater, if it is greater, just remove from here, right? Just remove else. And if it is greater and the candy I is greater than the candy I plus 1. If it is greater, then you have to do like continue, right? Else what you have to do? Like you have to do just nothing to do. Canteen I, candy I plus 1 should be. You are making, you are doing a mistake here, right? Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Okay. You are making mistake here. What you are making mistake here? Like candy. I minus 1 plus 1. Okay. Not this one. I plus 1. This one. Candy. Candy. Now you are traveling all the way. Just sum. Sum plus 1. X. Okay. What I am doing here? What I am making mistake? Am I making mistake somewhere? Candy I plus. Okay, sorry. It should be the. Hmm. Okay, let's try to submit it out, right? We handle the edge case. Yes, this should are the test cases. Let's move to next question. Like the it's question the tapping the rainwater. It's the most famous question of the stack, right? I'm not going to solve, just solve it. Like we have to mark here, right? We have to mark here, so we have to solve again. So what we can do here, like this is the standard problem of the stack code. If you learn the stack, you can solve that problem stack, right? What we have to do, like we have to find the maximum element index, and we try to start from the prefix and try to suffix, right? And the sum. Like what I'm trying to do here, like height, int, and height. Okay. Dot size. Okay. Now what we have to do here, like We have to find the smallest, max element. Max element should be what? Just take the less one, and the index should be what? Minus one, and index should be what? Minus one. Let's just travel all the way. Just travel all the way of height. If the height of I is greater than the max element, element, if it is, so you have to do like the index should be the I, okay, I, and the max element should be the what? Max element should be the high type, right? Now you have to take like a left max should be zero. Yeah, you can say you can take not to zero, but maximum minimum take a minimum, and the right max also this take as a minimum. Now travel, sorry, you have to take uh, like a like a total rain rain should be zero, right? Total rain. Now what we have to do? What we have to do? Like 1 0. How many? How can we travel? Index. Now the question arises now the question give right. Uh, maximize left max is equal to max left max max and the height should be I, right? Now what be the what be the what if the if the left if the left max is greater than the height of I, right? Height of I, you have to add this into total range. What should be the total range, like height I? Now, same it is. You have to do from the previous index. Same you have to do from the previous, previous. Okay, I minus. Same the right index, right max is equal to max of right max and the height of I. Okay, and if the right max is greater than the height of I, you have to add this into total RAM, right? Right max minus height I, height I, and you have to return the what? Return the total range. Let's try to see if it is passes the test cases or not. This passes the two test cases. Let's try to submit it out. Am I making mistake or this pass the test cases? Okay, it's going to take all the time, but this passes test with the 100% test case. Now let's move to next question, like the Roman to integer. Okay, this one is good question, and integer to Roman. Okay, length of the last one. Okay, longest common prefix. Okay, LPS. Reverse the string in us. Okay, zigzag. Oh, I am going to solve all these problems, right? Today I am going to solve all these problems. Like like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 problem. Just we have to let's try to see like how to what this question said, like Roman to integer. You have to given Roman, you have to travel from integer. Okay, okay. LVII. The question is good here. Like how string is given. Okay, okay, okay. Like 100, m is equal to 100. See, 2, 3. Like if it is given that LC 333, what we have to do? Like in this question, we have to do like approachable way, right? How can we approachable? We have given here like a D and C, so it's 400. D and C, D and C is 400. No, no, not 400. D and C, not a 400. CMM, okay. CM is equal to, okay. So CD is 400. Just count like 50. If it is 50, so it's 5. 50 plus 5, 100 and 500 minus. You have to do like that one solution. Like how can we approach that solution? Okay, okay, okay. We are doing like M. Yes. So it's 100. We are marking 100. Now C plus CM 900. So what can you do? Like can I approach like a binary recursive way? Like a constraint is very low, right? Constraint is very low. Can I approach like that way? Or can I approach like any another way like thousand, hundred, thousand, CM, DC, X, X, XI. Okay, just you have to go like there is the controversial topic like there is three or four the test cases like we have how much can we go 1 to 409, so it's might be the we have first the 4 IV, second the 9 I9, third the third the 99. How can be 99 like a C like a CI? No. How the 99 written in the Roman? 99 Roman, Roman number. So how can it? XC, right? X 99. Okay. Oh, sorry. So 90, not 99, but 90. So it's like a 4 XC, that means 9, 4, or the XC 90, and the 400, like DC 400, MC 900. This is the 1, 2, 3. This much all the solution. Now we taken all the ways. And now what we have to do, like how can we approach like that much solution, right? So like we are standing on the index. Let's see if it is match all the content. If it is match like L V, it is match. No, if it is match, we have to do minus one minus the index. If it is not match, we have to just take one and take the one plus one. Okay, so now I get it. Now I get it. What this solution, right? We have to just map it out. Like we take a map of what? Take a map of a string, okay, and integer, right? And map it like a Roman row to int, right? Roam to int, roam to int, and what be the here? The question is like what be the here? So row int, like we have one like I should be one, and roam int I should be two, okay, and row int like I should be 3. Okay, and row int sorry row int should be v is equal to 4. Okay, 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 or like 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so we can't don't you have to take that much, you have to take like okay 4, and you have to row int like x c like I x should be the 9. Okay, 9 9. Okay, 9 9. Okay, and the row int like roam int or x should be the 10. Okay, and just copy here, right? Why the again taking roam int. So we have taken the 4c. Now x c, it's a 90 90. Now c should be what? C should be what? 100. And like the dcd should be 400. and and D should be what? 500. No, D should be 500. Okay, 500. Now we have 900, right? We have to 900. We have to write 900 like row int. What should be here? Row int like CD should be 900. Like CD 900. Okay, and the roam roam int roam int DC. Sorry, not a CD, bro, not a CD. 900 should be M, right? M. And here the CM. Here the M is equal to 1000. Any other solution? No. Let's let's int sum should be 0. Now move forward. Like we have I plus plus. Like what this I and should be what? Just take an just take and is equal to s dot size. Right. Now the question is right, I am standing on the index. I am the standing on an index. If si plus sd, if we can find it out, this solution, we have to just add that much. Okay, and travel one route, like take a character ch equal to okay, take a character chi. Okay, like now what we have to, if 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 okay, if the ch, if the I plus 1 is present, so what we have to do, like take a t, take a s equal to ch plus si plus 2, right? If the mp dot count, like rom dot int dot count, if we find the previous, right, ss, what we have to do, like the sum plus rom int ss, right? And I should be increased. Else what you have to do, nothing, just continue. Else what we have to, you have to continue. Else, okay, it's and continue. Okay, continue. That means the continue. What we have to do, like what can I do, like what like 1 10 10 10 10 10. Now we have to take like a, here bull value, right? Take a bull value, right? Bull f is equal to 0. bool value f is equal to 0, and if it is, so you have to take like a bool is equal to true. We have to mark right here the false, right? And if it is, if it is true, if it is false, if it is, if it is false, you have to do like a, yeah, of course you have to find, of course you can find it out, right? The sum row in ch. Okay, now let's return the sum value. Let's try to see this is the right answer or a wrong answer. I don't know. It might be the given the wrong answer solution. So let's see. Let's see character. If you use the character, it is oh, oh. Can I collect the character? Can I dot css? Can I add a two character in a single same way? What's the negative? Okay. Why this giving the negative? Yeah, you can't find that. You can't find that one. You can't find that two. You can't find it three. So why this given us that only the only the only one? Why this all? Am I making mistake somewhere? Why this giving the only one? Hmm, sorry. We have to push that right. So why this giving the wrong solution? Uh, I don't understand it. Let's try to respond. Okay, thank you. Why this the concept right like 29, 90, 150? We are traveling all the way. If we find able to find, we can add up solution. Continue. Else, it's not required to continue. Mm, if you find able to find, okay, we have to continue, not a continue, not a continue. Okay, this much given right solution. Okay, why it is giving the wrong solution? Like L should be find right. LV is not present, so L should be find. Okay, I not mark it as L. What is the L value? L value is 50. So we have left behind that 40, right? Int what 40 like L x is equal to 40, and the roam 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 to integer like xc, that means L, that means L is equal to 50, right? We have add this much value. Now let's try to see. Okay, again this given, oh, one mistake, like am I not adding the 5 value ka? Okay, 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 just just I'm not adding the 5 value again. Let's let me verify all that. 1 is added, 4 is added, 5 is added, okay, 9 is added, 10 is added. Okay, that much solution rule. 90 is added, 100 is added, 40 added, right? Okay, 5, right? 9 and 9. Okay, all added. All should be added now. All these value are added. Let's try to see uh, why this giving the wrong solution, why this giving that much solution. Okay, sorry. Ah, M should be present. So M should be present. That means M should be giving the 100. MC is not present. So M should be giving the present. Now C plus M is present. So it's 900 and MC plus continue. So we are continue from here. We are reading here. We are left behind here, right? Okay, yes. We are reading behind here. Now we have moved to next. Now 10. So 100. Now again you have to take like x plus c, 90 plus 1 plus 4, 40. It's okay. So why this giving the wrong solution? Let's see that where I'm making mistake. Let's see that SS. Let's try to see it out, like where I'm making mistake. Hmm. Okay, okay. What is this? As the character is not in a slide, right? Can I not take like character? It's some kind of joke. Can't we take her? Huh? That's so much. Okay, 4, 5, 3, 3. No, why this thing? XC not in the multi-character value. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, now I get it. Now I get it, bro. Now I get it, bro. Just, just tell me why this not is giving me any the character. Just give me. Try to give me right. Just, I'm just doing like I'm just doing like let's try to see I. Let's try to see I. Right. It I should be present, right? Zero. Okay. So I should be okay. Okay. So I is not okay. Okay. So I think I think the this is the wrong. This is here because we can't go inside here. We can't able to go inside here. That means these are initially like all the adding. It's all the odd value. So that means the value is not initializing and not going to under this. So why this not going to under this? Okay. So why this? That means that means this is like something is happened here, right? Just do it. Just take, just, just try to see the string, right? String the string, typecast, let's typecast, and type, typecast the string as to find as HL, and typecast to string, right? Typecast to a string, right? Take a string, not a character from here. Take a string, right? Take a string, take a string, ch. Let's try to see. Okay, so I'm making mistake here. It's a string, right? Okay, you are submitting again. It's wrong. Int value. It's like, bro. Why? Have to do like that? What? Just add one value, right? Just add one value. Okay, okay, sorry. Just ask why this is the that means why this how to start DSA, sir? I'm not a sir, but just to start DSA, you can use the coder army, right? Coder army. Oh, sorry, what is the spelling of army? Army, and use the striver. Now the best resources is Striver providing the Striver playlist. Like I myself solved the all the Striver problems, right? All the Striver problem I solved myself. All the problem I solved. So this is the best one, and for the DSA, right? So start from the Striver and try to code yourself, right? Before before that seeing the tutorials, you have to first code yourself. So let's see why I'm doing like why this question give the right wrong one. Like I am storing the character, right? We have to just give the all to the string, right? We have to just we have to just give the all the string. So that's why we have to just put it like so what we have to do like now just 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 we have to do like a add double quoted all side. Just add double quoted, right? Just add double quoted. Just add double quoted string, or we are initializing with the string, but we have to change the string. तुझसे ही नहीं मेरा खुदा. Hmm, this is the boring, right? But if you learn the problem solving skill like a DSA, it this might be helpful for most cases, right? It's increase your problem solving skill, critical thinking, right, and debugging ability. That's why the most company are used to ask DSA. Let's try to do into variable. So say so we can't just just do a string, right? Just do travel all the way. No, you have to do character string ch. You have to do. What bro? What are you doing now? Okay. So like ch is present. Ch is present. So you have to do like just take a ss. So it will be ch plus to a string of c I plus 1, right? I plus 1, right? So let's try to see. Now this would be past the test cases. Oh, again. What, bro? What? Why? Just why are you doing with me? Just like that. Where I am making mistake now? Just tell me. You are saying like C out SS what? What is this C out SS? Is you not traveling to C out SS? Just tell, okay, so it's like a 50-50. Why? What is you are giving the 50-50 and why this? You can't give like you can't able to give. So okay, uh, let's do like that. Let's try to do like s dot sub sub str. Let's try to take to sub str and let's try to do here. Let's try to do here like s dot sub str sub str of one I. Okay, I one size, two size. Let's try to see now. Okay, this passes. Let's try to submit it out. Totally, it's a string. It is a uh, bro. M should be not present, bro. Okay, not present. Huh, one mistake. LV, Excel. I am taking Excel, right? Excel 40. Okay, yeah, I am taking Excel. What should be? Like M 3000 here and XL 40 and 5. It's why this giving the 60? Huh, bro, bro. Why are you giving the 60, bro? I'm not using that much now. Oh, okay. Why are you giving that 60? Okay. It is possible all the test cases, but M 3000. Okay, M 3000. Now again what? Again what? 3000, 3000. Okay, and XL, it is not present, right? It is not present, so not good. And XI, right? XL, it is present. So it's a 40, right? So 340, and again going to 5. So it's 345. So why this giving the 65? Why? Huh, double, doubles you are adding, right? No, I don't think double adding, right? So I am presenting here. I am here. Just go from here. Go. Huh. Hmm. This is the good. Yeah, Kodarami. Hey, are you there? Yes, bro. Tell me, what be the solution? What I'm doing wrong here? I don't think anybody. So what might be the solution, right? What might be the solution? White might be the solution. Why is giving the wrong answer, right? Can I ask something? Like we're trying to approach all this one V and one C, right? And returning the sum. Why this give the wrong? Why? Just why? LV is not a Roman number. So we are not taking OLV, right? We are just taking the L. So just do one thing, right? Just do one thing. What one thing? What one thing? Like C out, S, like CH, okay, and S, and do like do this one, like Endel, okay, and try to poach poach this out, right? Try to poach this out. Okay, oh, sorry. We are making mistake. Like a string SS should be s dot sub str sub str I to starting 0, right? We are taking that much. Now we are taking the sum and we are increasing this. Okay. So what I am trying to do here, let's try to see. Let's try to see. Like am, okay, am is present. Am not present, so am is present. Am is present. LP is 6 4 y. So LV is not present, right? LV is not present, so we are not taking it. So LV is present, we are taking it. If it is LV, so like if the wrong in count, wrong count, right? Wrong count S, then we have to just add room count, add sum plus room in interact ch. Okay, let's try to see again. Why this giving the wrong answer, right? I don't understand that much solution. Let's try to ask from the chat GPT, right? What are you saying? A smaller number appears greater, subtract one minus one. Okay, that's a good question, right? Yeah, that might be the solution of that. Okay, so it's you chat in a small window section. Okay, let me guess. Let me guess first you. What is the name? Pages, right? It's if the smallest number appears before the greatest, just do yeah. This might be the solution of this. Okay, okay. Now I get it. What you are saying that Tejas. So what you are doing? what you are trying to say, like we have sum which equal to 0. Now int like n plus plus, right? And what you have to do, just you are telling that 1 plus n, right? And then mp like sorry, roam int like like you are telling me if the like so you are telling like si is less than mp dot sorry, roam int si plus 1. If it is, you have we have to just the roam int roam int si, right? You are saying that just like this, else you have to just sum plus roam 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 int and the si plus 1, right? And you have to just return the sum. So let's modify it. What should be the modification here? So modification should be here, right? Like uh, roam int, we have I should be 1. Okay, just copy from here, paste, 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 right? And like v should be 5, and the what, x should be the 10, and the L should be the 50, right? 50, 10, 50, 50, and what? C should be C should be 100 and paste, and D should be 500, 500 and paste, and M should be 1000, right? This is the solution from the pages. Let's try to see. Uh, okay. I'm making mistake here. It's a character, right? It's a character. Just do it now. Okay, roam int. Where I'm making mistake. Roam int, double not, single int, roam int. Yes, roam to integer. Yeah, this might be the the solution. Okay. Again, this giving the wrong answer. Like why? Why? Okay. Okay. S I. Okay. Sorry. Just sorry. Okay. This much is good. Yeah. Again, this giving the wrong solution. Why this? I think the character is not matched, right? L should be 15. C should be C should be 100. D should be 15. Why this giving the wrong answer, right? So open your chat, store IB etc. First store that BTC. Yeah. I'm doing that just like that. Why this they giving the wrong solution? Like 1 plus B. Okay. Sorry. I'm making mistake here, right? Just we have to do -1, right? We are plusing. That's why this giving the total value. I think this will pass the solution all the test cases, right? Yeah. Yeah. This passes all the test cases. Thanks, Tejas. But the question, right? The question I like why the previous solution is not pass. Like why this fails? Let's ask from the Gemini. Why this fail? Like just just tell me why this code is wrong. Sorry, wrong is wrong. The specific typo. Okay, typo. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. Just move to editor. Just move to editor. Where is the typo? Okay, typo. Now, yes, just a single mistake of this lead to destruction of the code. Let's try to see. Yes, this much is the good. This one is good, and the next solution like which the they just recommend like this one is good. Now let's see. Subtract. Yeah, this passes all the test cases, right? Just what I'm doing to do, this is the lead code. This is my lead code, Abhilash Archit. Okay. So what you are saying to? Okay, sorry. We have to search right. Abhilash Abhi 99 lead code. Just search. It is. I don't think so. Just search from here. So I can't find your lead code. Okay. Just just 1 second. Just 1 second. Now we have to next question like we have to solve the Roman to integer. Now we have integer to Roman, right? We have next question Roman to integer. Yeah, B99 Rajput. Okay. So what's okay? Okay. Okay. That's good. That's an impressive one. Okay. Now let's move to solving our question. Next question, like integer to Roman, right? Now we have integer to Roman. So seven different symbol represent 1589. Okay, Roman or Roman. So what we have to do? You have to just you have to just put that value into one, right? So it's like a nine. It's nine. So it's like a 49. 49. So this is the good question. Like, how can we approach like that? How can we approach this? So the question, okay, okay. Now what we have to do, like, what can I do here? It's like a three should be. It's a four, so 300, three into m. Now next move to seven. So it's a 700. So what is the value of 700? We are taking m. What is the value of 700? How can we write 700? So D C C. Let's move to 49. How can we write 40? XL. Now 9. XL. This can be written like that. 300. So 700. So it's like 700 could be 100 plus 100 plus 100. Okay. Do like that. Let's move to no integer to variable. So like 800, 700, 400, 900. How can we approach that like solution? So it's like a 200, a 400. What should be the 400? 49,000. Okay. So the value should be the 399. Okay. So it's like 4,000 max to max, right? Not a 4,000. You have take like a space. Mm, so it's like a 4 into 100, 300, 3,000. So it's like three distance. So it's taking, should be three, should be. We take all the integer value to m, right? 3 should be the, m should be the 1,000, right? 1,000 should be the m. 3, 7, 700. 7, see, no. You have to take like a, you have to mark it like a what? Like like if the index, there is two chances, right? Two chances. Like you have index between the 1 to 3. This and the 4, 1 and 3, and the 5, and the 6 to 8. That's much. If it is in between, then you have to do. If it is in between, then you have to take 1 d minus 6. Okay. So how can we approach this solution? This code, like how can we approach? Just you have to code it right? You have to just code like a data. Just you have to do like a, okay. You have to do like a, just like that. So okay, that is the solution. Like we have to first calculated all the size. We have calculated all the size. Now we have to do like what? What we have to do? Like so as table, we have to use hash table, right? We have to use like a hash table. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to just take like a approachable approach, right? So it's more like we have nums. We are taking nums like nums. What should be the nums? So nums it should like so it's tr. Okay. So what should be the like 3? Okay. 3749. So it's like we are doing like how much the solution we can do like C plus plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. What one solution like you can use the brute force approach, right? One solution like a brute force approach, storing all the values and trying to solve that much. But the another solution is like how to approach like without using the brute force. Okay, just we have to do like one approach is like what? One approach is like what? Like make make everything make everything like 3,000. Like one approach of this code like what? The constraint is they clearly decide like 399, right? So we can use the brute force approach, right? Check my LeetCode pages goes. Okay, why? Okay, so let me see why this. Let's see what you are trying to do. Okay, that's good. Have you ever not given any context? Try to give some context, right? Or I am not visible. Okay, that's good. That's a good consistency, bro. That's a good. Now let's try to solve it out. Like we can take like what we can take here. Like we have to take like okay. So just do one thing. Take the string like a string of ones. Okay. Take the string of ones. What should be the ones string? Like one, like one, two, three. Sorry, three, four, five, right? Six, seven, eight, okay, nine, and just do 10, right? This is the four ones. Now, what you have to for like the tens? What we have? We have just the empty one. Okay, just empty one. Now 10, 20, 30, 40. What should be the 40? 40. 40 should be the 30, 40, 50. Okay, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, like 90. So 90 should be this and 100. Sorry, 100. Like 100, right? 100. Now, now what we have to? We have to take like a one tens 100, right? HUN. What should be? 100 should be empty one. Now next 100, like 100, how much, how much, how much, how much? 100, 200, 200, 300, and the 400. Like what should be the 400, right? Like CD, 500, 600, 700, 800, right? Just do 800. Now what we have to do? Just just 900, right? 900, right? 900. So we have what? 900, that means CM and M. Sorry, M 100. Now for the thousands, we have TH thousands. Just add this. We have one empty one, right? One empty. All right. Now, just you have to return the what? Just you have to return that thunds nums nums divided by 1000 plus, okay, divided by thousands plus, okay. Now, now we have like a given. Now we have like a 100, right? 100, 100 should be the nums divided by 100, okay, plus what should be the 10, like 10 should be the 10 should be the nums divided by divided by 10 divided by 10, okay, and one should be the what? Nums num modulo 10, right? Let's try to see this is the right code or wrong code. It's 100. What's it? Okay, thunder. What is thunder? What is thunder? Once tens 100,000. Do you mean nums? Anywhere? Not there. Let's try to see. Out of bond and then where the out of bond? String out of the bond. Uh, Okay, okay. So I'm going to just remove from here, right? Just remove. Why we are getting taking again? We have taken like too much. Just remove from that. We are taking from one here, so then just remove from that one here. And CM. Now this is good. 100. Now we are making mistake. Like I think we have to take like a what? Just take like a take a modulo 100, right? 1000, and we have to just do here like modulo 10, 100, 1000. Now this much should be passed. That is first we have take the 1000 place. Second we have to take the 100 place. Third we have take the 10th place. Now that's integer overflow. Why this giving the integer overflow? Like the 10, 100. It should be the asking the test case, right? 100, 10,000. Just why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 6 cm x x L L L L M 10, 10, 100, 100, 10, right? Where this giving the integer overflow? Why this giving the integer overflows? Like 110 0. This much is good. Taking that much. Okay, so let's try to do this much. Sorry. Let's try to do like take the one prefix here. I might be here we have gotten. Then why this again? This giving the wrong wrong one. Like nums into 100 nums 100 by 100. Okay, nums 1000 by 10. Okay, all this good. Now nums 10. 1, 2, 5, 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9. Okay, all these good are good. But why this? C, 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 C plus plus plus, C, D, C, D, C. Okay, 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 okay. Just we are not taking the D, right? We are not taking the D. L, D, amps. We are not taking the D. That might be the wrong solution, right? Yes. This will pass the test cases, right? Yes, this passes all the test cases. Let's move to next question. Yeah, let's move to the next question, right? This one, the easy problem. So let's try to see. Now, what should be the answer, right? So, like length of the last word. Okay, word five. One, one. So, what is this? The yeah. What is this? What is this? No, I don't think so. Anything about this possible. You have to just take it loud, like from the previous, from the minus, from the back. Like what we have to do, like if it is not empty, if it is as is not empty, and as dot back is equal to blank space, you have to just pop back. Just pop back. Okay, just pop back. If it is become zero, if has become zero empty, you have to return the zero. Now what do you have to do? Just travel from the last index, last size, and till you not get, you have to just count the element, right? How can we do? Like count zero, int, int, as dot size minus one, as dot minus one, minus one is. Now if the as dot I is equal to space, you have to just break it out. Okay, else you have to just count plus plus and return the return the count. Okay, let's try to see. Okay, climb on 4. Oh, why? Why this? Why this question not giving the right? Is this it is this is not a space or is some kind of joke? If it is as it as dot back. Okay. No, 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 no. You are matching character with the string, not just to do, just to do like that. If it is a space, if it is not empty, bro, not empty, what are you doing? If it is not empty, you have to just do backside. Okay. Now it should. Oh, again zero. Why? Just why? If it is not empty and st dot back as dot back, it's yeah. Okay, okay. Last one with yeah. Okay, okay. Then you have to just do like that. What? Like first approach, if it is 0 and count is greater than 0, you have to just break it out. Else, else, else if I so you have to just continue, right? Else you have to just continue, continue. Else you have to just else you have to just count the count the count the plus plus, right? Let's start to submit it out. Yes, this passes all the test cases. Let's move to next question. Longest common prefix LPS. Okay, longest common prefix LPS. Now, what we have to do? We have find the longest common prefix, right? So you can use the brute force here because the constraint is very slow. Else, what you have to do? Nothing to do. Just you have to do like just try to find it out like all the yes, right. The elements should be matching. Okay. What the point of doing live if you're not okay? What you're saying? Okay, 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 okay. So in the previous, you are saying like okay, yes, 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 yes. You are right. Why? Yeah, yeah, yeah. This might be first. So what we have to do? You have to just break it out, break it out, and you have to just count. Sorry. Okay. Why is taking so much time? This my internet is bit slow. Yes, this passes all the test cases. Yeah, this might be also a solution. The like I'm checking the while loop, right? That's why. Now let's move to next question, right? Longest common prefix, write a function like the prefix among them. So we can use the brute force here, right? Because the constraint is very low. But what we have to use like LPS, like longest. How can we approach? Like we have flower, flow, flow, flight. This should be right. Okay. DSA. So you can do like we have to do like how much first we take the all each match there, right? Second, you have to take like how much match that much you can take, and third, how much match from the second you can take. That is the solution. Okay. Like what I'm trying to do, like so first of all, like to sort all the value, right? Sort sort strs dot begin. Okay, strs dot in. Okay, and just use the comparator function. Comparator function like what should be the comparator? Oh, sorry, like auto int A auto int B, right? This this is a comparator function. You have to just sort it like according to size. The minimum size we should first. So add out like a dot size return a dot size should be b dot size. Okay, this is the sort according to size. Now just do now you have to just do like a it sort all the now you have to start like you can start like a from the one, right? So let's suppose we can have like a for loop one and plus one, right? Just just take a string like which is valid, right? Just take for now, just take a empty one, and for this now check like if it is empty one, if it is valid is empty, right? Valid is empty. You have to do like a valid, 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 valid should be. If it is empty, then you have to take like a valid is equal to valid is equal to helper. Just call from the helper function. Like what should be the helper should be the matching, right? Str si and str I minus one, right? Now what we have to do? Like else what we have to do? Like else just call the valid function with the what? With the valid and str strs I minus one. Okay, strs and y minus one. Okay, so now let's suppose if again if it is valid dot empty, you have to return the you have to return the valid, right? That means you have to return the empty string. Else you have to return the valid, right? So you can say here we have to return the empty string, right? Now let's build the helper function, right? What should be the helper function, right? So the question like what should be the helper function? So we have question like helper helper helper, right? Okay, helper, and take a string one, take a string, sorry, take a string a, take a string b, okay, sorry, a, what, yeah, a, and we have to return the string, right? Just take now. What we have to do? What can I do here? Like what can I do? Like we have just take like a string, the resultant is empty. Now move forward, okay, and like we have like a dot size, a dot size, okay, a dot size, like a dot size one plus plus, and if the ai is equal to bi, you have to add ai, else you have to break the circle and you have to return the result, right? This one is good. Now you have to check like a helper str1, that means the smallest str1, and the str smallest and the str smallest. Okay, no, 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 no. That you are doing a minor mistake here. You have to not take I. You have to take I, right? You have to have valid. Just try to do. Let's try to see the code. Okay, and what is n? So n should be as dot size. Okay, str dot size, right? Strs dot size. Okay, if it is if if n is equal to, then we have to return that strs dot 0, right? That means the, okay, this pass. Okay, this much is good. Now what is this? Try data structure or else brute force. Ah, that's a complex, bro. Try data or else brute force. Just use the brute force. I use brute force using sorting algorithm, right? We have to sort distance wise, like so size wise. Then we are trying to take, because the it clearly mentioned like a smallest a smallest should be first, right? A smallest element should be the valid. Now we are matching all the condition, right? Now let's move to the next question. Like reverse the word in the string. Let's take this one is the last solution. No, I'm not going to solve this problem, right? It's a very easy problem, right? We have to take and reverse the hello world hello. You have to just remove from the starting and from the ending. Just remove side. Good example. Extra space. You need to reduce the multiple space into the single step, right? Just one. So I'm not going to solve this problem, right? So that's it. Just that's it for the today, right? I solved like till I solved till I solved till here, and from the tomorrow I'm going to solve all this problem. Let's see that today POTT. Okay, let's try to see. Consider the two non-negative integers, two non-zero digits multiplying by them. You are given for one x containing none and in their original order. If they are no non-negative, return zero. That is all. What is this saying? Okay, okay. On like okay. So what is this showing that form a new integer x by containing all the original and their original order in their original order. If there is non-zero, you are x is equal to 0, and let the sum be of the x is x. Okay, return the represented x into x. Okay, okay, now I get it. 1 into 1, so it's 1. Now, what we have to do here, using ll long, long, right? Using ll should be long, long. Now we have given the integer m to m. Now we have maintain a sum. We have to maintain a like we have to maintain a sum. Okay, so 1 0 4 3 2 1. We have to maintain a sum. Okay, like 1 0 2 0 1 0 0 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. So we are traveling like just doing this, just doing this, just doing this. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, like just adding the sum, and we have to take also the value. So that value we have to just do now. Just take the sum first. First take sum. First take sum. While L L L L L of L L, okay, L L, and the, okay, and the x would be 0. Now take a string, take a string s to a string, change into a, and now what we have to do, just travel, just go, just go all the way of s. If it is x is equal to 0, you have to just continue. Else what you have to do, just do integer value t should be x minus 0, x minus 0. Now what we have to do, x should be x into 10 plus t. This should be the value. And what should be the sum? You can do here, you can take that sum here also. Just take a sum plus is equal to t, and you have to just return the t in t, like sum into x. So this, okay, 0. Why this is giving the 0? T. Why this giving the t 0? तुमसे जो नजरे चुराने लगे हो, बेटा है कोई और गली जाने लगे हो. Why x, x should be y? Why x should be given that much solution? Like, okay, 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 okay. Now I get it. X, X, X. That's it for the today. That's it for the today, guys. I hope. What is this? From all this coding will be nothing. It will be worth feeling. It will be okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.